Did you know you can start your own faceless YouTube automation channel today and do it completely for free? I'll show you how. Starting a YouTube automation is like being the creative director. You plan the content, use free tools or AI to build the video, upload and repeat. Now let me show you the system. The first step in YouTube automation is find a niche. A niche is a specific topic or interest area with an audience that wants content on it. Now that you've picked a niche, time to write a script on a topic under your niche. Keep it simple, clear, and structured. I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate scripts in minutes. Just type in your topic and let AI do the heavy lifting. Once your script is done, it's time for voiceover. But here's the good news. You don't need to record your own voice. We are going to use the AI tool, 11 Labs, to generate clean and realistic narration. Copy the script made by ChatGPT, then upload that script to 11 Labs. You can choose the voice for your voiceover and download it. Easy, right?
And that's it. You've just built your first faceless YouTube automation video with free tools and zero filming. All you need now is consistency.
The next step is to bring everything together with editing. Use CapCut, a free beginner-friendly editor that's perfect for this. Just import your voiceover, add some B-roll, a stock footage from Pixabay or Pexels, add text overlay, and basic sound effects, and your video is good to go. Also, CapCut has some ready-made templates and transition effects that you can use for your video. Now, the last step. Upload and optimize your video using YouTube Studio. It's where you add your title, description, thumbnail, and schedule. And that's it. Now you know how to start your own faceless YouTube automation channel with free tools and zero experience. You can start this today. And yes, this video is an example of a YouTube automation video. Thank you guys, and see you on this journey. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.